task on creating system, a lot of transport systems, and I need to use a fabric method here. So let's start from code, go away. Let's start from actually I prefer to start up down, start design. So let's start from main. Let's create logistic. It will be our abstract factory. Logistic, and type string, transport type, and let's name it bicycle for the first. And so if transport type equals bicycle, we will create logistic as a new, it's a bicycle, so let's call it new human power logistic. And else we will create gasoline power logistic. Gasoline power logistic. And to create something, to plan, we will use plan logistic. Plan delivery, okay. Plan ride. Okay, so let's create everything we need here. So let's start from creating logistic. Let's make it abstract because it's a factory itself, and I am not going to create an instance of this class. And also let's create abstract method, which will return transport, and let's name it create transport. And also let's create default method, public void plan ride. And what we will do in this method? So in this method we will create transport as a create transport, and let's say transport right, actually. So let's create another abstract method, transport, public abstract class transport with an abstract method ride. Why it's not allowed? Abstract void right, okay. And so let's create also human power logistic, and it will extend logistic, and it means we need to implement method for create transport and return. It's a human power, so return new bicycle here. I'll create a class for bicycle later, and gasoline power logistic, and also extends what's wrong with gasoline. Extends logistic, and again let's implement method, so it will be return new car, and so we need a car and the bicycle classes, and these classes will be subclasses of a transport. And so again I need to implement ride car is driving, and also let's create bicycle class, bicycle, no bicycle, and extends transport, and again let's implement method ride. So I want to ride my bicycle. Sorry for this citation from Queen. Transport ride was from here. Create transport ride. Got it. So logistic, abstract transport, create transport, it's okay, yes, and power logistic, return new bicycle, transport, create transport. Transport, create transport, and transport right. New bicycle, but human power logistic, and surely car. Looks I need to add something else here. Void right. create transport and transport right. What's wrong here? Logistic, return new car, car extends transport, bicycle extends transport, logistic extends logistic, abstract right, and logistic abstract, transport create transport. So, what's wrong here? Looks like it's some stupid mistake here. Actually, so method right cannot be found. Type right. Okay, and the transport abstract void right. There is another transport. Wrong transport. Where it is? So I used incorrect transport any here, right? Public interface transport. Okay, it's not transport. I expected to. Oh fuck. Transport. I need to use my own transport. And everything should work smoothly now. Not human and does not override abstract method create transport. Okay, it's again wrong transport. And it looks like it's also wrong transport. Yeah, everything works now, and I have another task with armor. So let me remove everything except main. Okay, and close all these tabs. And its main, I also actually I can write it again anyway. So I need to create an armor factory. So let's again start from armor. Yes, armor factory. Factory. Armor factory. And also let's create string armor type as a, let assign value gun here. And so if armor type equals, let's say, gun, that in this case armor factory as a new gun powered our armor. And else if like armor type equals bow, I forgot brace. In this case armor factory new arrow power armor. And else and armor factory is a new close fight armor. And then armor factory plan fight, not guide of course, fight. So let's implement all this stuff. Okay, so first let's start from armor factory and let's make it abstract. And so what I need to do here, I need to make an abstract class, abstract armor, create armor, and also default method public void plan fight. And so here first armor, I need to create a new armor as a create armor, and then I'm going to call fight. So let's create armor class. It also will be an abstract one. Armor, and so I need abstract method abstract abstract void fight. Okay, and so let's create subclasses for armor factory. Let me copy rename gunpowder armor. So it will extend armor factory, and so I need to implement method return. It's gunpowder return new gun. And next is our arrow power armor. Extends armor factory again, and we need to do the same, and we will going to return new bow here. New bow with a capital letter, of course, and one more. Also extends armor factory, and let's implement we return new bow here. And so also I need to create bow, sword and gun classes. Gun extends armor, not armor factory. Stop. Right. So gun is gunshots. Okay, and let's also create a bow. Extends armor. So let's implement fight for bow. Strike with arrows. And one more is sword. Oops. Refactor rename sword. Extends armor. And how sword fight? Attack with sword, let's say. Attack. Yeah, okay. And so let's go into main. Do I have plan fight? Yes, looks like everything should work just smooth. Gunshots. Okay, and if I pass sword here, it should work again. Just oops. Sword with arrow. Oh, it's attack with sword. Okay, and where is my arrow? And where is my main? Else if and else if. Let's try this way. Else if. Okay. Armor type equals sword. So it's first, it's second, it's third. So if this can I make it? Let's check this bow. So armor factory, create armor white. Oh. If and then else, if then again else if, and it's still okay. Let's initialize it with now. It's so bow and sword. Why sword? Close fight. Return close fight. Yes, because I return bow here. Yes, it's my mistake. Attack with sword. And it looks like everything okay now.